Can I have a double cheeseburger, please? No. Can I have a triple cheeseburger? No. Can I have anything on the menu? I think you've had way too many of those. Why are you so mean? Because we're on TV. Really? No, we're actually on a dumb show. You saw the camera when you walked in? Oh yeah. Well. Bless you. Thanks. Well, that was a dumb show camera, and yeah. Awesome, so we're on TV. No, we're actually going to go on the YouTube account. That's still awesome. So we have like a little time left. Do you want to say anything to the viewers? No, I just want to get a double cheeseburger. Oh. Well, we got to wrap it up. The store's going to close. Okay, bye. Bye. See you later.